What is up, Ewu crew? Today we were cruising around and we just happened to see, notice right here, a couple dead coyotes rotting away on these old railroad tracks. I'm not even sure if they're old, but these railroad tracks, oh, they stink too. Somebody killed them and laid them out right here. A lot of people don't know it, but coyotes mate for life and they stay together their whole lives. Interesting tidbit. All right, guys, I got an abandoned building right there, right over these tracks. Not sure if there's gonna be anything in it, but what do you say we go check it out? Let's go. So right over there was where the dead coyotes are, and right here, it's an abandoned house. It looks like a homestead of some sort. I thought we'd go check it out. Looks pretty interesting. Right away, I could see the old tile. Can you imagine living this close to the trains? That would be insanely loud. All right, let's make sure there's nobody squatting in here. Let's go in quietly. Oh wow, this is kind of cool. Check it out, guys. It's like everything left behind. Whoa, what a trip. Check this out. All the old furniture and everything is still here. Look at that bookshelf. It's like just waiting to fall over. Wow, this is pretty awesome, actually. I didn't think there was going to be anything in here. They left all their stuff in here, old iron. Look at how fat those beams are. And then look, we got a log in the middle holding it all up. Wonder if we can get any dates off in this. This is really awesome. Check it out. Look at the old blinds are still hung up right there. And someone just put some wood over the windows. This was someone's little house right here. They got some bunch of shoes where they had their shoes right there. Okay, guys, a lot of times you guys hear me talk about the hantavirus. The hantavirus is found in mouse droppings, and it has a 50% kill rate. That means if you contract it, you're about 50% chance you're gonna die. That's why a lot of times you'll see me not trying to stir up too much dust when you see so much rodent droppings. Sometimes rat can have it too. It's very rare, but it's still a real concern because once you get it, chances are you're gonna die. Look at all the stuff in here. This is pretty amazing. Wow, look at that. Look at someone's high heel shoes and clothes. Whenever I come to places like this, I always think of April Pitzer because it's like she went missing not far from here. It always makes me wonder, you know, could any of this be April Pitzer stuff? Or any of the other missing people? What the heck is that there on the ground? All that fur, all that hair. What the heck? Looks like doll head or something, I'm not sure. This place is pretty awesome. Look, you can see it was a ranch by the cattle branding right there, the ranch branding right there for the cattle. Got old cookbooks and stuff. More wigs over there. Like some bank robbers came out here after robbing a bank and dumped all their stuff. Like all their wigs, all their disguises. This looks like maybe multiple cattle brandings here. If that's even what that is. Guys, let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Hey, the toilet is still intact. That is very rare to see. Hey, this would have been another bedroom right here. That one's really bad shape though. Look at old shoes. Oh, I'm hearing bees. Did you hear it? Let's back up. Look at the old toilet.
There's bees all over.
Is there? Where are they going?
In here in this room.
All right, there's a lot of bees in that back room, and they seem to be getting aggravated. Last thing I want to do is hit a bee's nest and get them really upset, but I'll try to peek in and see if we can't see. Oh, I'm seeing them right now. And they're coming in the room. Yeah, they're very active. I'm not sure where they're going in here,
Didn't
but
like that you were in there, huh?
yeah. All right, guys, so check this out. So this is pretty cool. So it has all their old furniture in here. Looks like an old rocking chair and everything. We gotta be careful. I know a lot of people say, oh, bees, but there really are killer bees here. Most I've heard some people state that there's not even regular honeybees here anymore. Alaska, maybe that's where these people went who lived here. Maybe they went to Alaska. Hey, the old fireplace. So you can see someone obviously just up and left this place. We got a kid's jacket on the ground. Got a kid's jacket on the ground. We got all this stuff in here. Someone was trying to fix it up. This would have been the kitchen. Look, it's still got some, got the kitchen sink, got the drapes, the original drapes, and look, there's still something hanging on the wall. Right there. Pretty awesome, guys. All right, don't forget, guys, if you enjoy my videos, hit that subscribe button. Put a video out every week. I'm gonna start putting out 2 videos a week. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like our video. Check out the colors on this door, that's a trip. They got creative with that. All right, guys, don't forget to check out our Patreon and support us on Patreon. If you guys like our content, we use all the money we get from Patreon to help us on these explorers, to pay for gas. And so we thank you so much for all your support. And we're just gonna go ahead and look around here and see if we find anything else pretty cool.